In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change dark mode in Gumloop. By the end, you'll be able to switch your workspace to a darker, easier on the eyes look in just a couple of clicks. Start by opening your browser and heading to gumloop.com. Give the page a moment to load so the interface fully appears. You should be on your main Gumloop workspace or flows page where the sidebar and top navigation are visible. If things look different, that's okay. Just make sure you're on the main Gumloop site rather than a separate project window. Now draw your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. This is where your account controls live. You'll see your profile area there, typically showing your name or an avatar. Hover over that section if needed, and then click your name to open a small menu with your personal settings and quick options. Inside that menu, look for the option labeled Theme. This is the control that manages how the interface looks. Right beside the theme label, you'll notice two simple icons, a sun and a half moon. The sun represents light mode, and the half moon represents dark mode. This visual cue makes it easy to see which mode you're currently using and what you can switch to with one click. To turn on dark mode, click the half moon icon. As soon as you do, the interface will update instantly. Backgrounds will shift to deeper tones, text and icons will adjust for contrast, and the overall look will be optimized for low light or late night work. This change applies across your Gumloop workspace, so navigation, lists, and editors will all reflect the new theme. If you ever prefer to go back, simply open the same menu and click the sun icon to return to light mode. Gumloop typically remembers your last choice, so when you come back to the site, your selected theme should be ready without doing anything else. A few quick tips to help everything go smoothly. If you don't immediately see the bottom left profile area, try widening your browser window or expanding the sidebar. On smaller screens, the sidebar can be collapsed and the profile section might be tucked away. If the theme doesn't switch right away, give the page a quick refresh to apply the change. And if you use multiple browsers or devices, set your preferred theme on each one so your experience is consistent everywhere. That's all it takes to enable dark mode in Gumloop. Open the profile menu in the bottom left corner, find theme, and click the half moon. Enjoy the more comfortable, low glare workspace.